You guys are... Look at ya. Hey, lady. Why don't you get in the game? What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing? Oh, you're coming after me. Oh, there's another baby girl. Oh, there's my girl. Are we gonna suck face? What are you two doing? Oh, the baby girls. Huh? Okay, let's go see what the boys are... No. I'm sorry, you were the boy, weren't you? Now this is a boy and a girl. So it's boy, girl is how we're playing today, huh? I think she's sleepy and you want to play. Aww. Kiss your brother. Actually, he kind of looks like a baby bird, doesn't he? Trying to make you take the food out of your throat. Stop. You're going to bite your brother's snozzle off.